Here I have VIVO Y93 and let me show you how to enable here the eye protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, if you would like to quickly enable the eye protection, let's use the down bar right here. Here you need to find the eye protection right here, let's tap it. Let's tap OK to confirm it, and as you can see, you just enabled the eye protection. But you can also configure this mode by using the following panel again and holding down the eye protection key, and here you can enter the following settings. So here you can enable or disable the eye protection. You can also set time, so you can switch on automatically eye protection, for example from 10 to 7 AM, and you can use also the screen color correction right here. That's it, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.